Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the enzymes. Enzymes for the COX pathway. So first one is the PGI2. The PGI2, the enzyme for synthesis, is the prostacyclin synthase, and the PGD2 will be the isomerase. Next to the PGE2. PGE2 is again the enzymes for synthesis isomerase. Then comes the PGF2 alpha. The PGF2 alpha is nothing but for the reductase. And then the TXA. The TXA2 is nothing but the thromboxane synthase. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.